We'll open a spreadsheet from Google Drive to demonstrate this topic. You can click on the Status button along the top of any document screen to see the current status of the document. As we don't have offline access enabled, this document is only available online in Drive. We can click on Turn On to enable offline working. Click on Turn On to confirm. Then reload the document to complete the setup. Now if we click on the Status button, we'll see that it will still be available if we lose our internet connection. If we're working offline, the icon will change, and any changes we make to the file will synchronize automatically when we're back online. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Encoris if you want to know more about G Suite.